All right, guys, you're looking at a custom vampire Fangs set we just had done for a customer. This one here is solid 925 sterling silver. It has the connecting back bar bridge from the back side. Now these are the vampire pointy fangs available on our website, blingcartel.com. This is a handmade piece. You can get it done for the top, the bottom teeth, or you can even do a top and bottom set. Beautiful handmade work. Fits perfectly. Snug fit. Check it out, blingcartel.com, guys. There it is. Thank you for watching. And as always, y'all have a good one.